This is how you can quickly change the theme of your Google Slides presentation. Just open your document and click theme right here. And then here you can pick one among many presets that is available for free in Google Slides. For example, I'm going to switch this dark looking presentation into something brighter like orange, for example. And in just a second, it changes all the aspect of your document. And of course, it's also changing the color, the font, the style, and many others. So I think the transition is very quick, and it's really cool that Google Slides can do that very quickly without having you manually changing one thing at a time. Speaking about that, you can also modify the slide based to your liking. Let's say there is a preset but you don't really like the design, or you want to change one or few things on that design. You can do that by going to the slide menu and then click edit theme, and then here you will see the preset of this document. You can change the color, you can change the font, and after that you can click apply, and that changes will be applied to your document. For example, if I want to change, let's say I want to change this color from orange to something like blue or green, I can click reapply, and let's close this, and you can see that this used to be orange but now it's becoming blue green his color. So that's how you can play around with your theme in Google Slides.